Hello guys, how are you today? If you some of them if you don't know what I do, so let me tell you. My name is Basant. I work with ClusterX as a co-founder. I help businesses to automate, and I always try to make simple automation so people can understand and use them in their workflow. So, if you have seen in my previous LinkedIn post, I have provided many free templates which you can use to, automate your entire business workflows and operations. And today I'm going to give you a best thing ever. You might have heard of Driftify or other platforms. They provide this kind of services where you can do LinkedIn auto correction and you can send them DMs, personalized DMs, but it's cost a lot. So today we use this flow and save the cost even like 80% of it and make it run on auto mode. So let me show you what I've created. So I've used a API of Browse Flow for LinkedIn. And this one we will filter what kind of people we need. So let's say we need people, we need companies, and what kind of search we're looking for. Let's say I'm looking for founders and talent. Here you go, you can see founder and talent. Okay. Just a second. Let's say I put this founder and talent. What's wrong? What's wrong with my internet? I don't know what is happening. Okay, yeah, it's working now. Okay, so I go for all filters. I select for Australia and show results. So these, if you can see, I've sent them messages already using this automation. Some of them allow, some of them don't allow. Right. Right. So founder tenant integration. Okay, perfect. So let's go on fifth. Yeah. So this is the page I'm using right now. Okay, what's going on? Yes. So I use founders and talent acquisition. Sorry, bad English. Okay, it's Australia. And I'm choosing page number 5, but you can use like 1 to 10 pages in a one go. I'm just using to show you, how things work. So starting page 5th, so I think I already did it. So let me put it sixth, and number of pages 1. So what does that mean? Okay, so that means like page number 5th and one page. So in 5th page, we only taking this particular page. So let's say 10 people. And this is iterator. What this does, it take the URL step by step, take the data, like let's say we have 10 people. So it give data one by one instead of giving all the 10 datas. Now after this, we have this LinkedIn profile. Then after the data, we get LinkedIn profile. And what does that mean? Get a check person is connected. So this one here, you can see the person is connected or not. So I've done the maximum execution today. That's why it's stopping me. But you can use it for this. And then I use ChatGPT here in this chat GPT, I've used a prompt which I provide in Gumroad template, so don't worry about it. So you can see this is the prompt I have used. And then I used a router and I've given a condition. If connected, so it won't do anything. Let's say if connected, send a message. If it's not connected, we send a connection request as well as browse for LinkedIn. Send a message. So it will connect here and send a message, and then all the data will come to the Google Sheet. So that's how it works. Let me show you. Now you can see that, so all the data is here. Okay, so these are the pending request has been done. Recently I used it. Okay. So far, yeah, so far this is it. So using this automation, what it can do, it can save your cost. What's wrong with this? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so you don't have to use Dripify or other platform because they are quite expensive. Just use this flow and save a lot of money, and you can customize according to your requirements. Let's say we use a scrapper where we save the customer emails as well as phone number. For the emails, we can set up, yeah, let's say Apollo, or could be any email sender tools, right? And we can automate that one as well. For the phone number, we can use WAPI, and we can set up, voice agent who can call them, say, hey, I found that on LinkedIn, and we have their detail of their profile, so we can be more personalized and we can sell more. So we can make a really big automation here, and also create an advanced AI agent who will take decisions on behalf of us and make things faster. So if you really like this automation, if you want to see other automations from my end, do that. Let me know. I post on LinkedIn on regular basis. I provide a lot of templates for free, but this is something, this is not easy. I've invested a lot of my time, so I'm not asking much. I'm asking just bit of help from you guys. So, I can keep posting like these content, and I can stable myself a bit, because financial things should be necessary, right? Okay then, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.